Hi friends, welcome back to Prabal Plus YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to study about introduction to Prabal Plus. What is Prabal Plus? Prabal Plus is a integrated service assurance module for leased circuits. You may be very well aware that for any service there will be two parts. One is service delivery and the other one is service assurance. Mostly service delivery always in the initial period. If any customer comes, we will provide the link, then customer will start using it. The customer satisfaction is mainly depends on the assurance part. If the customer is happy, he will continue. In BSNL, our EB units and field units are working very hard and dedicatedly to serve for this leased circuits, that means enterprise business customer segment. We already have so many portals and so many trouble ticketing system. Then why Prabal Plus? If you look at our CMD sir message, you can see that increasing the EB revenue by means of bringing improvement in time taken for commissioning and MTTR of lease circuit. SAR is also talking about service delivery and better service assurance. Our directory EBs are also rightly said EB customers being high revenue paying customers also expect better services and faster fault rectification because their business is purely depends on their lease circuits. Okay, so we already have so many lease circuit fault mechanism portals like remedy portal for impaler circuits, CDR portal for point to point circuits, VSAT fault ticketing system for KU band customers, and SBI remedy exclusive for SBI faults. Apart from that, we have so many small fault ticketing system for respective circles also. Okay, so now the problem is each individual ticketing system is having following separate escalation mechanisms. For example, if you take remedy BSNL remedy ticketing system, any faults booked in remedy ticket system will be escalated to the node in charges. Node in charges means our NIB people, those who are maintaining the routers. But most of the time the faults may be in the last mile connectivity. So definitely there will be delay in escalating the faults from NIB to exchange. So our corporate office felt that even though our enterprise business team and field teams are working very hard and sincerely, the time taken to restore the faults is still not up to the industry standard. If we want to retain the customer, we can get it by improving our service assurance only. Better service assurance, better customer satisfaction will give best revenue to BSNL. So now the focus is on how to improve the shortfalls. That means how to improve the MTTR for each faults. So our corporate office issued one direction Why can't we aggregate all the faults booked in different platforms and show it in a single system? The same was initiated and developed and tried in Gujarat. That model is called Prabal. It is successfully implemented in Gujarat. So similar way, our corporate office given direction to MPLS NOC team to develop a portal which will aggregate all the faults and escalate it to the correct person. So escalating the fault to the correct person will resolve most of the problems in a short period. So this Prabal Plus application is aggregate all the faults from the different platforms, then it will escalate to the concerned field units directly. Let us see the architecture. This is the architecture of Prabal Plus. Prabal Plus will extract data, link data from ITPC CRM and ITPC Clarity and BMAP. From CRM and Clarity, it will collect customer commercial information and link information. From BMAP, it will fetch WAN IP, then router data, other technical details. Prabal Plus data lake having a strong correlation engine which will automatically extract this data and process it and prepare the complete link master for list circuits. Then currently we are extracting fault tickets from BSNL Remedy for MPLS links, CDR FMS for point-to-point links, and SBI Remedy for exclusive SBI links and VSAT for KU band links. So Prabal Plus will fetch automatically online data from these four modules currently. Then it will correlate the link details which are already extracted from the system. Then based on it, it will map the exchange and field units. So Prabal Plus having a strong and beautiful GUI interface, then Ask Prabal interface which is a chatbot, then mobile telegram interface, then SMS integration, automatic SMS to the field units directly. So the following are the interested users in the Prabal Plus applications: EB units handling the EB customers, then Circle LC unit, then BA or SSA units, then field units. Finally, BSNL headquarters to monitor the performance and customer fault escalations. So this is the general architecture of Prabal Plus. So Prabal Plus having the following modules. One is role-based access control system, which is very strong and flexible. Next one is data lake mediation engine, which will interact with the external system. Next one is very sophisticated graphical user interface. Next one is incident management module. Next one is reports and telegram module. The final one is Ask Prabal. These are all the 6 modules under Prabal Plus.